Okay, one more. Cheese.
How do I get out of here?
Yeah, you can't. You're trapped. You're stuck.
Cheese.
You have to stay there till Christmas.
That's a good one.
For sure, he started crying.
Yeah.
He didn't like it very much. It's like a mermaid, but different.
Who are these cookies for?
For Dada.
Santa?
Oh,
That's a lot of cookies.
he's gonna enjoy them, huh?
Oh, man,
Do you think that's enough?
he's not going to be able to
You're gonna get cookies that everybody else is talking.
No, Toy Story 3.
Toy Story 3.